On this episode of Give It That Mothers Love series, we are going to show you how to turn your dusty car from this into this. Now, this is not a full car detail video. This is just how to give your car a good old bath to get it looking fresh. First off, you're going to want to get some product. You'll want to use this Mother's Ceramic Wash and Wax, the hero of today. An easy-to-use foamy cleaner that gives your car a good shine and can help with paint protection. First up, you will need a bucket to put the Mother's wash in, a wash mitt, and a microfiber towel to dry your car with. Oh, and of course the common hose, the unsung hero of today. Okay, top tip. While you're going through and washing this car, you want to make sure you're keeping the car wet in between all the steps. You don't want the car to dry on its own, otherwise you'll get some water spots and some unwanted marks, and you don't want that. So if it is a really hot day and the sun is beating down, like it is today, then you'll want to wash the car in sections, which we'll be showing you how. Otherwise, it will just dry too fast, and you're going to get spots, and it's going to kind of reverse all the hard work. All right, once you have your products ready to go, we can go ahead and prep the bucket with the wash and water. Check the bottle's label for how much to add, but in layman's terms, this 4-gallon bucket probably needs a 5 to 8 second pour. A little wash goes a long way. Before we get started with the soap, you will want to rinse your car off with just water to get rid of any loose debris or dirt. Now the fun part, soap scrub. Let's put on this wash mitt and we are going to be dunking it into the soap bucket. Now, because it's a hot day, we are going to do sections at a time. So we'll wash and scrub a section. Then we will rinse off that same section and repeat until the car is done. Always working from the top of the car first, down to the bottom. Now, when you are scrubbing, you really want to agitate the dirt here and fight it off like, you are destroying dirt demons. Anyways, back to the wash and rinse step. The key here is you just want to keep the paint wet and not allow it to dry during the soap scrub step. Otherwise, it can be a real pain to get those spots off. Now the last step, drying. This isn't always the most fun step, but it is just as important as all the other steps. Again, we really don't want the car to dry on its own, or we could get unwanted spots. Also, these microfiber towels are imperative to use when drying your car, just like this old school video says.
The new microfiber towel, whisking away any water at ease. This new design is designed to make cleaning your car as simple and easy as possible. Get rid of that pesky water, just like you want to get rid of that pesky neighbor, Bob, that you don't like.
Exactly. When drying, start with the windows first, as those can be the hardest to get spot-free. So you'll want the towel as dry as possible. Otherwise, this step is pretty straightforward. These microfiber drying towels should get you through the whole car. If it is a large car, you might need 2, but you should be able to make do with 1 by just wringing out the water. Pro tip, don't forget about the door jambs in the trunk. And that's it. You are done. Now, I will be the first to admit this car's paint is definitely not in good shape. The key is, it looks so much better than it did before. The more you give your car some love, the more you learn about its imperfections. And its character too. I am really happy with this result using Mother's Ceramic Wash and Wax. If you want to learn more about how to get your car looking clean, go ahead and subscribe to our channel. Until next time.